Hi there. Welcome back to Challenging Kitchen. Today we are going to be making a New York style cheesecake. The recipe comes from Chantel. Yes, it's one of the recipes that has been used time and time again with great results. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do it. Here are the items you're going to need. You're going to need 15 graham crackers, at least 2 tablespoons of butter that you melt. You're going to need 1 cup of sour cream, you're going to need 3/4 cup of milk, whole milk. You're going to need 1.5 cups of white granulated sugar. You're going to need 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. You're going to need full fat cream cheese. You're going to need 4 packs altogether. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. 4 eggs. Now all these ingredients need to be at room temperature. You're also going to need your spring-form pan, a 9-inch spring-form pan. Now before I get started on my graham cracker crust, I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 350 degrees. It's very important that the oven is preheated first. Now in a Cuisinart, we're just going to place our graham crackers. The recipe calls for 15, so I guess this extra one is for munching on. Place our top on and give it a little Now all I'm going to do is pour in my melted butter. Now to the spring-form pan, I'm going to go ahead and grease it with butter. I'm going to do that on the sides and on the bottom. This also will help with prevention of cracking. So as the cheesecake bakes off, it pulls away from the sides. And a lot of times that's where cracking can come from. Okay, so that's nice and coated. Now I'm going to pour my mixture, my graham cracker mixture on the bottom. Looks like a lot right now, but once you pat it down, and I kind of push it up on the sides as well. You want to take a, you can use the bottom of a measuring cup if you'd like to get that nice and flat. Which is what I'm going to do. Just want to press that down in there. Make it as nice and even as we possibly can. Now let's get our mixture ready. So the first thing that I'm going to do in preparing my mix is I'm going to open all the containers of the cream cheese. If there's any liquid, I'm just going to dump the liquid out because we don't want that in there. Looks pretty good. And I'll continue on with the rest. We're gonna combine our cream cheese and our sugar together until smooth. I'm using a paddle. Lock it into place, Rhonda. Scrape that down. And now we're going to add our milk. We're going to blend it in. gonna add 1 egg at a time. Just until it gets incorporated. Last egg. Okay. Let's see. Nice. Now then I'm gonna add my sour cream, my flour, and my vanilla. One tablespoon of vanilla. Just until it's smooth, and then that's it. You don't want to overmix it. I'm going to put my springform pan on a baking pan, and I'm just going to put my foil up around it. You can also do the water bath down here. Just make sure that it is warm water. And we just pour our batter in. All that goodness out. Just want to try and get up any little bubbles. In the oven it goes. 350 degrees for 50 minutes to an hour. Then you shut the oven off and let it set for 6 to 7 hours. Don't open the door. want to thank you for joining me today in creating Chantel's New York style cheesecake. Let me know in the comments below how you like it. You know I love to hear from each and every one of you. And until next time, may God always bless you. Thank you.